Virtual reality is set to take the gaming and entertainment world by storm. Unless you've been living under a rock as a gamer, you know that the industry is putting a lot of eggs into the VR basket. But is this the best way to put our technological foot forward? I'm incredibly excited for the potential of VR gameplay. I mean, I've already ordered my PSVR headset, but is virtual reality the one we should be putting all of our faith in? Over the years, as technology has advanced, it has become more seamlessly integrated with our lives. Just think, in order to perform certain actions at one point, we'd be tethered to our desk, but now we can do a multitude of things by simply picking up our phones, devices that have themselves become almost an extension of the human body, making the virtual and real world more seamless. And isn't that what gamers are chasing? Seamless immersion. While virtual reality is incredibly immersive, it is essentially just a new screen for us to look at. There is still a very real boundary between the virtual world and our own. Augmented reality, however, may be a better way to integrate the virtual worlds we love with our own. While companies such as Google have abandoned AR projects like Google Glass, augmented reality holds the biggest promise for gaming, and it has the potential to change the world. Just look at how Pokemon Go has already taken off. You could argue that yes, we're seeing this augmented world through just another screen, but it's prompting us to move throughout our world and interact with it in a whole new way. Imagine coming home to an apartment full of cats rather than luring them onto your phone's screen, Neko Atsume style. Imagine horror games that turn the halls of your very home into something much more nightmarish. This could extend past gaming. Imagine having your Pokemon walking down the street, AR clothing and accessories, and much more. Where VR chains us to a reality locked within a screen, AR can blend the two, the real and the virtual. What do you think? Which are you more excited for? Or do you think they'll both push technology to a new place entirely? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching, guys.